Welcome to numbers 11 through 20. In this lesson, you will learn how to recognize, pronounce, and use numbers from 11 to 20 in everyday English conversations. These numbers are essential for telling time, stating ages, discussing quantities, and many other daily situations. Let's begin. Let's start with numbers 11 through 15. 11 is ILEVON, 12 is TWLV, 13 is 13, 14 is 14, 15 is 15. Notice that 13, 14, and 15 all end with the teen sound. Repeat each number after me and pay attention to where the stress falls in each word. Now let's learn numbers 16 through 20. 16 is 16, 17 is 17, 18 is 18, 19 is 19, 20 is TWNT. Like 13 through 15, the numbers 16 through 19 also end with the teen sound. 20 is different because it follows its own pattern. Practice saying each number clearly. Let's understand the pronunciation patterns. Numbers 13 through 19 all end with teen. The stress is on the second part, the teen ending. However, 11, 12, and 20 are special cases that do not follow the teen pattern. 11 has the stress on the second syllable lev. 12 is pronounced as one unit. 20 has the stress on the first syllable TWEN. Listen carefully to these exceptions and practice them separately. Now let's see how these numbers are used in real situations. For telling time, you might say it's 15 minutes past 3. When talking about age, you could say she is 17 years old. For quantities, you might say I need 11 apples for the recipe. For addresses, you could say the office is at 20 Main Street. These are common ways you will hear and use these numbers every day. Here are the key points to remember. First, numbers 11 through 20 are fundamental for everyday English communication. Second, master the teen pattern for numbers 13 through 19. Third, remember the 3 exceptions, 11, 12, and 20. Fourth, practice pronunciation with stress on the correct syllable. Keep practicing these numbers regularly until they become automatic for you.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.